My neighbor took some leftover pavers from his pool job and he did a paver sidewalk. I'm going to show you how he did it. Well, this is a patio I filmed the guy putting in a couple years back. And right here on the side he put his borders in, and then he just filled a lot of this on the concrete and others on pea gravel. So he's extending it over here, and he's got this in here, and he went this way with it, and he's putting this in on rebar, just like that. So he mixed it up, and he's putting it in on rebar. Then he's going to fill this with pea gravel and just lay them on top. So he just mix it up, not too wet. Yep, not too wet. And I'm over here to give him advice and consultation, right?
That's it. That's what you're doing.
Now, did you ever pay me for the last time I gave you advice and consultation?
Did I what?
Pay me for the last time you gave me.
The check's in the mail. Didn't you get it yet?
No, I didn't get it yet. That's all he's doing is he's meeting the height on this sidewalk. He's going over there meeting the height on that sidewalk. And that's it.
Once you get the cream up, you take your paver, just wet it with a sponge, press it in place, and then pound it down. And that glue, the cream you get up, it'll take a chisel to get it off.
Yeah, that's going to make it thick.
Just got to get enough cream up so that. What I'm going to do here is what I did here yesterday is at Christmas time I run an extension cord through here.
Oh.
So it doesn't get caught with the snow blower.
Right.
I'm putting a groove through here for the extension cord to fit in. You just lift these out, run your extension cord underneath here all the way through and pull it up instead of having it underground all the time.
So for the bottom he's just using a concrete mix. A little stiff. You want to have it a little stiff. And I don't know where they get these kids at today. I had 17 years of education before I quit in the 6th grade.
Yeah.
I was going right even with that line.
Yes, it is.
Got the line up. And the line goes all the way over to this end of this sidewalk right here, so he knows he's at the right height.
Yeah, that's good. Now, let's go sideways with it. Right here, get that one in there. You tap it. Good. Okay, kid.
So that's it. That's all ready for, they're going to put the pea gravel in and start putting the middle in. Now we're back, and he's got the pavers for the center, and this is nothing but pea gravel. See it? Pea gravel. And he laid everything out dry. And he's starting over here. And when he's starting over here, he cut this on a slant, so it will go up against a thing like that. See that? And there's no space in between. You know, I only work as fast as I get the money. And I ain't getting no money in this job.
You want some gloves?
Nah.
You know when you have calloused hands touching the...
I know. I'm delicate here.
He's delicate. Can't have those coarse hands.
That's 1, 2, 3. We're going to go over to here. It's a little low.
Yeah, the small amount, right? I have a dinner date with my wife.
Dinner day.
Yeah, we're supposed to go to the Turtle. It's that time of it's that day of the week. Did you trip that edge off here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's good.
Uh-oh, there she is.
There he is.
Low?
Low.
Yeah.
A little bit low.
All right. You better go back here and check them then. Here. Let me see that number.
Okay.
If they got, see what the price was. They got two. Oh, don't worry, just get the one. Plan on doing that much more. No.
Point to point. That's perfect. Perfect. That one's high. We're going from that point to this point, a little different.
Right. Because that elevation changed.
Go this way with them. And I don't think I have to worry too much that way. Getting done. That's what it looks like when it's getting done. So I'm going to talk about that job a little bit. My neighbor did a pool a couple years ago. It was called PAVER Insulation Part 5 around pool. And this is what the stuff that he had left. So he figured there was an old sidewalk that sank. He ripped it out. He figured he'd put them in. Now there's 100 ways to do pavers. Up here, I prefer to pour the concrete and just lay them on, and I'll never get a call back. In a case like that, sometimes I'll put them on pea gravel. That's the next best thing in our area. It's just another way to do it. There's no wrong and right way, as long as it works. So I hope you picked up something from that. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike Haduck, and I'll see you next video.